In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix ChatGPT Google Login not working. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official website of ChatGPT. Click on Login. Now from the options, select Continue with Google. When the Google sign-in window appears, check if your browser displays a pop-up asking you to allow Google services or OpenAI sign-in window. If it does, make sure you click Allow since blocking the pop-up can prevent the login process from completing. If that does not work, open a new browser tab and visit Gmail. Now, provide your Google account's credentials that you want to use to log into ChatGPT and log into that Gmail account. After you do that, navigate back to the ChatGPT official website. Click on Login. Now click on Continue with Google. Now ChatGPT should automatically detect it and complete the login process. If you are still unable to sign in, try using another login method. On the ChatGPT sign-in page, choose Login, enter your email address manually and click Continue. You can then choose to receive a verification code by email or sign in using your password, depending on the options available for your account. This can help you access your account even if the Google sign-in options is not working properly. And that's it. This way you can easily log into ChatGPT using Google. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.